Welcome everyone to Granite Heights. I am so excited to show you this home today. Now today, like I just said, we're in Granite Heights. Now this development was built by Toll Brothers. And if you remember 3 years ago, we actually shot all of these models for Toll Brothers, including the one that we're in right now, which is the quartz plan. So I will leave a link in the description below. So if you want to check out what the model home looked like compared to this, check it out. It was an amazing model like Toll Brothers always does. Now, the best part of this house is this open concept living space. This is really what you buy this home for. So right now we're in the main living area. There's no real formal spaces. It's just one huge great room. So let's start with the kitchen first. Now, I absolutely love the cabinetry that you're gonna see. Now, first off, we have a matte finish quartz countertop. Very, very nice, a lot easier to live with since you're not always trying to polish and you don't see all those reflections. You know me by now if you've been watching these videos. There's certain things that I'm picky about. I would have loved to see a thicker relief on the countertops. Since this is a custom mitered edge, they only went 1.5 inches. They could have easily gone 3. It would have made it look really, really nice. Now in this application, they elected not to do a waterfall return. I want to hear your comments. Do you like this clean look? Are you tired of seeing the waterfall returns? I'd love to see your comments, so please leave comments below. All right, now, like we discussed, I love this cabinetry. It's a wonderful gray veneer, very, very nice, very elegant. Everything is soft close. Now, they did the full Jenn-Air appliance package. So, you've got double ovens by Jenn-Air. As we come over, and even these, I love these modern cabinets with these upper hinges. Just kind of a nice feature. This is frosted glass and stainless steel. Now we have the grill top for your range with the matching commercial style vent hood. Now if we back up a little bit over here, we have the farm style sink, super popular. They did a little bit of gold accents. It's kind of nice. So the faucet here on the sink is gold and it's subtle. We'll get some B-roll. But over here in the grill top, there's these very subtle gold rings around the burner controls. When you actually approach from this angle, it actually makes the entire front of the grill look gold, and it kind of ties in with the gold faucet. Really nice. You have a very, very high-end Jenn-Air dishwasher, very similar to the KitchenAid top of the line. Very, very nice. Coming over this way, we have the extended countertops. I love the subtle 3D tile. So the 3D tile not only comes from on top of the counter surface, but when we have these floating shelves in the corner, it's actually the exact same backsplash as off the countertops going all the way up towards the ceiling. Very, very nice subtle touch. We got our built-in Jenn-Air microwave, and then of course we have our built-in refrigerator by Jenn-Air as well. So kind of nice. This is pretty much a brand new home. It's only about a year old. So typically you're going to see these matching appliances. A lot of the homes that we've toured lately, unfortunately, are very mix and match. Now let's cruise over a little bit this way. Now, first off, this is fantastic. We'll get some B-roll. We have double pockets, and not only are these sliders, but they're pockets, as I just said, but you'll see they pull apart and they fully deploy. Much, much nicer than having them stacked and having a return. Over here, we have our breakfast nook area. There was an option, I believe, over here to have a full bar. That was really nice. We've got a really nice lighting fixture here. And again, when you have those wonderful Vegas days or nights, having this open to the outdoor living space is fantastic. It's still almost about 100 degrees today and it's humid because we've had some rain. So we're not gonna open that while we film. Now, over here in the family room, we do have 16-foot high volume ceilings. I believe they drop down to 14 in the kitchen, but it's a wonderful space. For a single-story home, this is fantastic. We have our obligatory area for the flat panel television. One of my peeves, I love what they did here. I love that the television is at the proper height. A lot of times you see the televisions mounted 6 feet high or what have you, and then you're looking up from the sofa. I like this. We do have an electric fireplace. Unfortunately, the controls weren't working from the remote, probably a battery issue, but we do have an electric fireplace, and I believe it's about a 72-inch. So very, very, very nice, especially on those Vegas nights where you don't need the heat. All right, let's flip around this way. Over here, again, nothing's really formal, but this is the designated dining area. So we have a beautiful, beautiful chandelier over there. I believe in the model, This was a wine wall, really elegant, really nice. We'll cut through over here. Before we go to the laundry room, we have the powder room over here. So we have a little linen area. You know, the powder bath is just a powder bath. There's not much. It's a powder bathroom, pretty simple. All right, now coming over here towards the laundry room, this is a massive, massive laundry room. So this is the garage. We're not gonna see it. There's nothing really fantastic going on in there. Tankless water heater, water softener. But you have a little mud area to take your shoes off. Very nice. Then over here, you can kind of see how expansive this area is. Tons of room for the washer dryer. You have a sink. And then you have a massive, massive countertop area where you can fold laundry. Now here's the main criticism I have. These countertops are the same in this laundry room as the bathroom. These are only 1/2 inch. These are very, very thin. Even when you buy prefab quartz countertops, they come with a 1.5 inch lip and they're 3 centimeters instead of 2 centimeters. So at this level, I'm a little disappointed in the counter surface. Nice that you have quartz in the laundry room. Nicer if it was a normal prefab even. All right, now that we've seen the powder, we've seen the laundry room, let's go see the master suite. Oh, wait a second. There's no more thing as a master suite. It's a primary suite. So we're gonna see the primary suite and the secondary suites. Again, here was that entry. I love that courtyard entry. I love that you can keep it private, but then you still have this huge pivot door that is full of glass so you can still see to the courtyard. Fantastic. Now we're gonna head this direction towards the master. We have a nice little linen closet here. And again, I would encourage you, check out the model that I shot 3 years ago. This was so cool. Right here, they had lights that were embedded in the flooring that illuminated upwards, and this was like a stone veneer. So it looked beautiful the way it rippled. All right, so coming in here, let's first check out the bathroom because it's beautiful. So of course here we have our standalone tub. We kind of have a little bit of a mix. We have a Calcutta tile. So we have like that marble, nice white and gray tile floors. And then we have a little bit of a different surface. So this is somewhat of a concrete with a little bit of a linen looking relief to it. And then it kind of continues into the shower here. Now in the bathroom, we have a massive, massive countertop for your vanities. Again, the lovely gray veneer cabinetry that matched the kitchen. We have undermount sinks. Again, we already discussed the countertops. I would have liked to see the countertops done a little bit better. We discussed this in that Pulte home, Ashley, remember? This is a weird new thing. It just seems unnecessary. I don't love the seam in the middle. I think you're better off just having 2 separate mirrors, framing them or what have you. You guys tell me, what are your thoughts? Do you like having just one long piece of glass? Would you prefer it broken up? Do you like my idea? Leave your comments. Then it's pre-wired for wall sconces, so you could have better illumination over your vanities. Now, one cool thing here, we'll try to get in here. So this is the same tile that we had around the bathtub surround. This is a really cool, this tile almost looks like tweed, really kind of a cool relief, and it kind of breaks it up. But we have this tile, and then we have a different tile for the floor plan. Now as we come in over here, I don't know if it's a little tight, but I hope you can get it. Obviously we have our shower head, we have the matching tile from the bathtub surround. We have a nice sitting area right here so you can shave up. But this is neat. Right here, here's an external door. I actually made fun of this in a property once, but it wasn't this nicely done. But you have a commercial grade external door. So that way, if you want to come directly from the pool, you can come right into the master shower. I still have a hard time wrapping my head around having a door right in my master shower. But you guys tell me, what are your thoughts? Do you like that idea? Is it a little funky? You tell me. All right, over here, we have our toilet, pretty simple. And then we have a fairly large master closet, primary closet. So pretty simple. It's a shell waiting for you to create it the way you like it. All right, that wraps up the primary bathroom. Let's check out the primary master bedroom. Now, coming over here, we do have 16-foot high volume ceilings, so it makes it feel very, very nice. Obviously, we have the pre-wire for the television. I believe there was an option to have a door here, which doesn't make sense because you do have a slider. So this is really lovely. You do have a massive slider, so I don't know, I'd say you have about a 10-foot long slider. Goes right into the Baja deck of the pool. So really, really nice to just come right into the primary suite. This is not a pocket door, so it's going to stop here. I'm sure we'll have some B-roll footage of that. I believe we have a couple more windows behind that are covered up. That takes care of the entire master suite. So let's go take a look at the secondary suites down the hallway. Okay, the first secondary suite we have, it's pretty simple. It's a suite, so it does have its own bathroom, it does have its own closet. Oh, I believe the closet's locked. Coming over to the bathroom, we have the same cabinetry that we had in the kitchen and in the primary bathroom. Same situation like we discussed with the counter surface. And over here, we just have a very simple, clean, white subway style and a fiberglass tub shower enclosure. Now let's check out the other secondary bedroom. Okay, so in this secondary bedroom, we come right into the bathroom. So again, we have the same cabinetry that matches all the other bathrooms in the kitchen. We have our toilet. We have the exact same clean white tile, fiberglass surround. Little strange, we went from 12 by 24 inch tile throughout the entire house to a simple 12-inch tile. I'm thinking this was what was built by Toll Brothers, and this tile was done by the owner afterwards. We do have a walk-in closet here, and then again, we have just a simple bedroom. We have wire for the television directly across from the bed, and this is the front of the house, so you're gonna be facing the front of the street. All right, now that we've seen the inside of the home, let's go ahead and cut and check out the back outside. All right, now welcome to the outside portion of this video. Now right now we're in the outdoor living space. We've blown out all of the sliders so they're fully retracted so you get that indoor-outdoor feel. Now the interior flooring flows into this patio deck area here. So instead of having 12 by 24 inch flooring, this is slightly larger. It's more like 15 by 30. Very similar, you can't really tell, but it's nice. There's also a step down before you get to the backyard pavers, but this gives it that seamless indoor-outdoor feel. We got a nice aftermarket fire pit here. And then of course, this would be fantastic. This would be the first thing I do. This is wired for an outdoor television. So now you can literally sit indoor-outdoor. This is what I do at my house. I love it. Additionally, it's already pre-wired for surround sound speakers, so you could have this seamless entertainment. Now, we'll start from this end. We have pavers from underneath the patio cover, and then we have a little bit more pavers on the outside part of the backyard. We've got travertine for these kinds of paver walkways, as well as the border of the pool. Now we have artificial turf here, which is really nice. Now, like we discussed earlier, we have this great huge Baja deck, so you can put your chaise lounges, relax, enjoy, still be submerged with water. It is self-cleaning, so we have our pop-up bubblers to push all the dirt towards the filter. A little bit small for a lap pool, but really, really nice and modern, very 90 degrees. And the cool thing is, you can pop right in, right out from the master suite. Now we're gonna go around this way. Now we have an elevated jacuzzi with a double infinity edge that goes right into the pool. So very modern, very nice, very elegant. We have a fire feature here surrounded by travertine. So this is a really wonderful, I mean, at night, this would be fantastic. So you have fire coming up behind the jacuzzi. You've got a television you can watch. You've got the water cascading into the pool. Fantastic. Now this had a massive lot premium when this was built brand new. And the reason is from over here, you have pretty much unobstructed strip views. So this would be a really cool place to build up like an observation deck, maybe covered. And then at night, you could take advantage of these beautiful strip views. Well, anyways, that pretty much wraps up this property. So you guys tell me, everyone loves Toll Brothers. Take a look at the original model and tell me, how does this compare to the original model? What features would you have put from the model into this property? And then of course, the $1 million question, at this point, $2.4 million question, do you think the house is worth the price? If so, leave me comments. If you don't, leave me comments. We'd love to hear. Well, anyways, thank you again for watching. Please click to subscribe. And if you have any questions or concerns or any real estate needs, feel free to contact me directly. My information will be in the description below. Thanks again. I'll catch you on the next one. Deuces.